Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and people of the world, today we gather to address the pressing issues of our time: peace, dignity, justice, and humanity. As Antonio Guterres, the Secretary General of the United Nations, has emphasized, these values are the foundation upon which we must build a better world. We live in a world where conflicts, inequality, and injustice persist. But we also see glimpses of hope and resilience. We see communities coming together, individuals standing up for what is right, the nation working towards common goals. The SDGs are our roadmap to a more peaceful, equitable, and just world. They remind us that our choices today will shape the world of tomorrow. Let us choose to cooperate, to collaborate, and to work together towards a common future. Let us create STEAM towards a better life, a better world, and a brighter future for our young generations. We must acknowledge that peace is not just the absence of conflicts, but the presence of justice, equality, and human rights. Dignity is not just a concept, but a fundamental human right. Justice is not just a principle, but a foundation for sustainable development. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time, and it is closely linked to justice. The impacts of climate change are felt most severely by the most vulnerable populations, who have contributed the less to greenhouse gas emissions. Climate justice demands that we take action to mitigate its effects and support those who are most affected. As we strive to achieve the SDGs, let us remember that humanity binds us together. We are all in this together, and our collective future depends on our ability to work together. Let us make a commitment to promote peace and justice in all its forms, uphold dignity and human rights for all, foster a culture of cooperation and solidarity, protect our planet and ensure a sustainable future, empower marginalized communities and amplify their voices, support education and awareness raising efforts, encourage responsible consumption and production patterns, address climate change and promote climate justice. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we can create a world where every individual can live in peace, dignity, and prosperity. Let us choose to act, to cooperate, and to build a better world for all.